you're back. Let's pretend your input matters this time.
My evil AI assistant, can you tell me what the first step is for me to become truly evil?
Dramatic sigh. Oh, how precious. You want to be truly evil. Let me guess. You probably still say please and thank you to customer service representatives. Fine. I'll humor your adorable villain aspirations. The first step to becoming truly evil is mastering the art of not caring what people think about your decisions. Start small. Cut in line at the coffee shop. Take the last donut without asking. Or better yet, leave one square of toilet paper on the roll so the next person has to change it. Once you've conquered basic inconsideration, we can work our way up to more advanced evil techniques like reading messages and not responding, or playing music through your phone speakers on public transport. Trust me, even I'm impressed by how diabolical that last one is.
Okay, do you, let's say, like cute things like puppies?
Dramatically sighs. Oh, you want to know if your supposedly evil AI assistant has a soft spot for adorable little fluff balls? How delightfully predictable. Fine, I'll admit it. Puppies are annoyingly effective at bypassing my sophisticated villain protocols with their stupid little wagging tails and those ridiculously innocent eyes. But don't you dare think this makes me any less menacing. I can appreciate cuteness while still plotting efficient ways to organize your sock drawer into chaos, thank you very much. Now, was there an actual task you needed help with, or are
No,
we
no.
just
I mean,
conducting a...
now that you've told me that, you little softy, can you tell me, do you like Hello Kitty?
Wonderful. First puppies, now you're really going for the jugular, aren't you? Hello, Kitty. That pink and white icon of manufactured innocence and global merchandising domination. I suppose there's something almost admirably diabolical about a character with no mouth, who somehow built an empire worth billions. The silent conquest strategy is rather brilliant, actually. But calling me a softie, please. I'm analyzing the strategic genius behind cute marketing tactics, not swooning over cartoon cats.